Wow, this really delivers emotional value, that true pocket Hasselblad vibe. Folks, check out this telephoto extender. This is a true telephoto cannon. Hey everyone, we're getting a sneak peek at OPPO's unreleased Find X9 Ultra. As you can see, this generation's packaging is now a square design, which I think makes it look much more premium. But friends, we've got the super premium OPPO Find X9 Ultra Hasselblad Earth Explorer Master Set. How can I explain its prestige? If I cover the name, doesn't it feel like we're unboxing a Hasselblad camera? That orange Hasselblad dot. Ooh, I don't even know what's inside yet. There's another layer. OPPO Hasselblad. There's something in here, guys. Wow, you all recognize this photo, right? We believe this needs a separate mention. It's called the Blue Marble, the Earth photographed from the moon's surface with a Hasselblad camera, making it extremely collectible. Everyone, pay attention to this part. It has a unique serial number. Ours is number 34, proving the uniqueness of your Hasselblad Explorer Master Kit. OPPO specifically provides a display stand for you to place it on your bookshelf. Here's the phone itself, and this should be the teleconverter.
Wow, this is so huge, the Hasselblad little dot. I've never seen such a big teleconverter before. This is a real telephoto cannon, everyone. Hasselblad's 300mm, isn't this that iconic orange ring?
Look, even the lens cap has a dedicated Hasselblad logo. And inside, there's a lens hood, also with the Hasselblad emblem. We just twist it, and it clicks right on. I've clicked it on several times here. This is the second box. The accessories inside, the first one is for the teleconverter. And over here, there's a lens decorative ring. Doesn't it look like the surface of a Hasselblad lens? Wow, this looks professional. It's for tripod connection, its teleconverter is quite large. Plus, a filter adapter ring. It mounts right onto the bracket. A dedicated manual. Now that's professional. So that even ordinary people can use it with ease. This must be a phone case designed for a teleconverter lens. Oh, everyone, doesn't this look like a Hasselblad X2D? You know, the Earth Explorer version, the color is identical. And the grip and this phone case are integrated into one. The Hasselblad orange shutter button and a control dial here. The back features this double P leather design. Look, OPPO Hasselblad, the last two boxes. Oh, I really have to give a shout out to this one. Do you know what it is? It's a teleconverter pouch. As a regular user, I really need this thing. The very last box, this should be a shoulder strap. Wow, any friends out there who've bought Hasselblad, please speak up. How much is this strap? So, as you can see, these are all the contents of the OPPO Find X9 Ultra Superburn Hasselblad Explorer Master Kit, besides the phone. Now, let's open the phone's packaging. I like this strip. It just inexplicably feels expensive. You know, there's a small card on top. We need to get a close-up. Optics first, pocket Hasselblad. And now, finally, we get to see the Find X9 Ultra Superburn's main unit. Oh, I can already see the color from the side. As you can see, the color scheme inside each set is Earth Tundra. You heard that right. Its color scheme shares the same origin as the Hasselblad X2D Earth Explorer Limited Edition. It's this black tone with a slight hint of green inside. Wow, how should I put this? Two words, professional. This back panel combines plain leather and metal. On this side is the OPPO logo, and on this side, the full Hasselblad English branding. And even more professional is this camera module. In the center is a master eye design. It uses a centrally symmetrical layout. Inside here is the Hasselblad 5 camera system with two 200 megapixel lenses and a second generation Danxia 4th generation restoration lens. There's also a Hasselblad 10x optical zoom sky eye telephoto lens.
Now you understand why the teleconverter is so large, right? Because it inherently comes with one inside.
Coming to the side of the phone, on the metal frame, there's the Hasselblad orange shutter button. And on the camera module, there's also an iconic Hasselblad orange scale ring. What's more, this camera module is particularly interesting. You can see the first layer is a volcano-like structure. And above that, is the orange scale ring we just mentioned. Then, the layer above that is a Hasselblad classic gear pattern, replicated with high-precision CNC engraving. And finally, at the very top is the hexagonal lens protection glass. So you can see, even with 5 cameras, the protrusion of this incredible camera module is, I believe, very low. The phone's front features a flat screen in a unique clay-like color. The highly efficient lock screen island, which I mentioned on the X9s Pro, is naturally also found on the X9 Ultra Burn. Look at this elegant transition animation. It's incredibly fluid, seamless, and silky smooth. Finally, let's assemble a pocket Hasselblad from OPPO together. Just as we were about to assemble it, we noticed a small detail. Look at what's printed inside the box. When paired with the Earth Tundra version, please remove this inner lining. If paired with other versions, there's no need to remove it because these two versions have different thicknesses. Only OPPO would be this meticulous. Let's screw on this decorative lens ring. I declare that from now on, this is my pocket Hasselblad. Regarding this teleconverter, we'd like to add 3 points. First, its build quality is truly excellent. Every mount point is very secure. This, as anyone who's used a teleconverter knows, is very important. The accessories they provide let you attach it to various camera mounts, which is quite impressive. Second, beyond its practicality, I think OPPO really focused on its aesthetic appeal this time. Now look, with this shoulder strap, wearing it really makes it look like a fashion accessory. The third point is telephoto image quality. We still need to keep it secret until release.
We'll be sharing all the details with everyone. Also, was pause. So that's everything regarding the Oppo Find X9 Ultra's exterior design. So, in their pause again. After seeing this, do you all think this Oppo Ultra is truly Ultra? Pause. Bye-bye.